Next tip for grading is that you can download your, for grading, if you prefer, you can download all of the submissions, grade them in whatever grading tool you want to use, and then re-upload them. Or you can grade online using SpeedGrader. So I want you to see that you don't have to grade in Canvas, but you can. Here we are again in the same place that I was just talking about the rubric. This is the assignment summary. It's from this page when you go into grade that you'll be able to access SpeedGrader and do the grading online, or download the submissions for grading. So this is the tip. You click on this and you're able to do a download. You can save that file to your computer. You can open that up and you'll have whatever files correlating to submissions. They'll have the student's name on those files. Very important if you do this, that you don't change the title. You don't change the name of the file at all. You just open it up in whatever grading tool you want to use, do that grading there, and then save it as it is so that you can then re-upload the submission without any trouble. You would just browse and find the file. I'll browse. That's going to be in my download files. And if it's okay, so we'll go to downloads. I would zip it back up, okay, and then click on submissions and then upload it. And it'll go right back into Canvas. It'll be delivered to students. Students will get a special note about it. So they'll be able to see your comments on that file. Okay, so SpeedGrader, really good. Downloading and re-uploading submissions, also good.